The supplement industry is one of the fastest growing markets, with a projected global market size of over $200 billion by 2026. Consumers are increasingly turning to supplements to support their health and wellness goals, with a reported 77% of Americans taking dietary supplements. As a result, many entrepreneurs are considering starting their own supplement companies to meet this growing demand. However, starting a supplement company is not without its challenges. A recent study found that the average cost to develop a new dietary supplement product can range from $27,000 to $50,000. Additionally, finding a reliable and compliant manufacturing partner can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000 or more, depending on the complexity and quantity of the product. Marketing and promotion can also be a significant cost, with some companies spending upwards of $1 million on advertising campaigns. In this video, we aim to provide a comprehensive guide to the true cost of starting a supplement company. Through detailed case studies and practical advice, we will break down the expenses involved in each step of the process, from product development and manufacturing to marketing and promotion. We will also explore other considerations such as legal considerations, staffing, and insurance. Whether you are a first-time entrepreneur or an experienced business owner looking to enter a new industry, this video is an essential resource for anyone interested in the supplement industry. By understanding the costs and risks involved, you can make informed decisions about your investments and increase your chances of success in this lucrative market. Product development. Developing a successful supplement product requires a significant investment in time, research, and resources. We will break down the costs involved in each step of the product development process. According to a survey by Nutrition Business Journal, the average cost to develop a new dietary supplement product is between $27,000 to $50,000. This cost includes researching and sourcing ingredients, formulation and testing, and branding and packaging. Researching and sourcing the right ingredients for your product is a critical part of product development. According to the same survey, ingredient costs can range from $5,000 to $50,000 or more, depending on the product and quantity needed. This cost includes identifying reputable suppliers, ensuring high-quality ingredients, and verifying their safety and efficacy through clinical studies. Formulating and testing the product is also an important part of product development. This process involves creating a unique blend of ingredients that meets your target audience's needs while ensuring the product is safe and effective. According to the survey, formulation costs can vary depending on the complexity of the product and the number of iterations needed to achieve the desired results. Testing costs may include laboratory testing, clinical trials, and other regulatory requirements, which can range from $10,000 to over $100,000. Creating a unique brand and packaging is also a crucial part of product development. According to a report by Grand View Research, the global nutraceutical packaging market size is expected to reach $4.97 billion by 2025, with an annual growth rate of 7.8%. Branding and packaging costs can range from a few $1,000s to tens of thousands of dollars, depending on the complexity of the design and the quantity needed. Overall, product development costs can range from tens of thousands of dollars to hundreds of thousands of dollars. However, investing in a high-quality product and branding can pay off in the long run, as consumers are willing to pay a premium for high-quality supplements that meet their needs. Manufacturing and production. The cost of manufacturing and producing a supplement to bring to market can vary greatly depending on a number of factors, such as the size of the operation, the complexity of the product, and the intended market. As discussed in the previous section, the cost of manufacturing and production typically includes raw materials, labor, equipment, and overhead expenses, which can add up quickly. According to a report by the Natural Products Insider, the cost to manufacture a dietary supplement can range from as low as 5 cents to as high as $20 per unit, depending on the product type and the manufacturing process used. The report also noted that the cost to produce a dietary supplement can increase significantly if the product is subject to more stringent manufacturing and testing requirements. In addition to manufacturing and production costs, companies must also consider other expenses such as marketing, distribution, and regulatory compliance. Marketing and distribution. Once the supplement has been manufactured and produced, the next step is to market and distribute it to potential customers. In this section, we will explore the costs involved in marketing and distribution. According to a report by the Natural Products Insider, the cost of marketing a dietary supplement can vary widely depending on the type of product and the marketing strategy used. On average, companies spend around 20% of their revenue on marketing and advertising. One of the most common marketing strategies for dietary supplements is influencer marketing. According to a report by Linkia, 39% of marketers plan to increase their influencer marketing budgets in the coming years. Influencer marketing involves partnering with individuals who have a large social media following to promote the product. The cost of influencer marketing can vary depending on the influencer's reach and the type of content created. Paid advertising is another popular marketing strategy for dietary supplements. According to a report by Statista, digital advertising spending in the United States is projected to reach $224 billion by 2024. Companies can advertise on various platforms, such as Google, Facebook, and Instagram, but the cost of advertising can vary depending on the platform and the target audience. Distribution costs can also add up quickly. According to a report by Grand View Research, the global dietary supplements market is expected to witness significant growth in the coming years, driven by the increasing popularity of e-commerce platforms. However, distribution costs can vary depending on the type of distribution used, such as wholesale or direct-to-consumer. In addition to these costs, companies must also consider regulatory compliance when marketing and distributing supplements. According to a report by the Council for Responsible Nutrition, companies in the supplement industry must comply with various federal regulations, such as labeling requirements and good manufacturing practices. Overall, the cost of marketing and distribution can vary widely depending on the type of product and the marketing strategy used. However, investing in effective marketing and distribution strategies can help reach potential customers and increase sales, ultimately leading to a successful supplement business. Other considerations. In addition to the costs discussed previously, there are several other considerations that supplement companies must take into account when starting their business. Let's explore some of these considerations. One important consideration is intellectual property protection. Companies must protect their intellectual property, such as trademarks, patents, and copyrights, to prevent competitors from using their ideas or products. According to a report by the World Intellectual Property Organization, the cost of obtaining and maintaining a patent can vary widely depending on the country and the complexity of the invention. Another consideration is insurance. Supplement companies must protect themselves from potential legal liability and other risks by obtaining various types of insurance, such as product liability insurance, property insurance, and business interruption insurance. The cost of insurance can vary depending on the type of coverage and the size of the company. Companies must also consider the impact of their products on the environment. According to a report by the Sustainable Packaging Coalition, packaging accounts for a significant portion of the environmental impact of consumer products. Supplement companies can reduce their environmental impact by using eco-friendly packaging materials and reducing waste. Finally, companies must consider the potential impact of their products on the community. According to a Social Responsibility Alliance report, consumers increasingly demand that companies engage in socially responsible practices such as supporting local communities and reducing their environmental impact. As a result, supplement companies can differentiate themselves from competitors by engaging in socially responsible practices. Overall, there are several other considerations that supplement companies must take into account when starting their business. While these considerations may not have a direct cost associated with them, they are crucial for building a successful and sustainable supplement business. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Until next time, keep living your best life.